I like working at Chelsea's. It's like a little family. So everybody I know, it seemed like friendships with co-workers, supervisors is cool.
So what it's like for me at Chelsea is every day something different. I'm able to work on a vast variety of tools. You can pretty much see anything in what I do, from just wearing a tool to something being put together incorrectly or set up wrong. So it's kind of like a treasure hunt whenever you're looking for the problem.
All the guys here are great. I found a lot of friends here. I definitely get along with my supervisor. He's a real good guy. Just good atmosphere, as long as you just come in, do your job, and get it done.
It's nowhere like I've ever worked before. The supervisors, they genuinely care about you as a person. You're not just another worker to them. They're constantly asking, are you still happy with your day-to-day? So I think that's really important. As for the work, I love it's never repetitive. Every tool we make is different, so you're never doing the same thing over and over and over. So.
Yeah, I feel like our coworkers are pretty much like family. As my dad is working in quality with me. But I feel like in quality it's a close-knit, so we keep in good communication with everyone, including our managers and supervisors, as far as what's going on and making sure things are the way they're supposed to be if we have any questions. So I feel like working with the coworkers were pretty good. And then even working with the production supervisors, got to have that good relationship and communication between the two. So.
Chelsea Building Products is a great place to work. We have a super quick and easy application process. You're just going to go to apply@chelsea.com and then apply through our website. We are currently accepting full-time and part-time employees.